In this Java tutorial, we will talk about methods. There may be situations when the same operations are performed repeatedly while developing a program. Instead of writing code over and over again, we define a method. Let's understand better by giving an example. When a Java program runs, the main method is first executed. A print turtle method is called in the main method. I defined the print turtle method here. This method is of type void. Void methods cannot return a value. We will give examples with different types of method in a moment. Then you will understand better what I mean. The print turtle method can be called more than once in the main method. We can send data to a method. For example, I will send a variable of type string. The variable sent to the method will be used in println. I am sending the variable while calling the method. Now let's give an example with an integer data type method. We learned that void methods cannot return a value. An integer method can return a variable. I will set the integer variables x and y to the method. The method will add the x and y values and return them. I call the addition method in the main method. Now let's make an example with a string type method. I will send two variables of string and integer data type to the method named collect. The method will return the data to us in this way. As you can see, I can send an integer value to a string type method. Now let's send a string variable instead of an integer variable. I set the variable type in the same method as string. Let's make a different example. I send two variables to an integer method. The method will add two variables and return them. There is no problem. What will happen if more than two variables are sent to the method? The program will return an error. In some cases, it's not clear how many variables will be sent to the method. We can solve this problem with the variable arguments property. I define an integer value. I create a variable. I will perform the addition process using a for loop. When the for loop is completed, the method will return the total value. Now I can send as many variables as I want to the integer method. The program will work as I want without giving any errors. In this Java tutorial, we'll learn methods. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.